Hi there. If your emoji button is missing or you can't find emojis on your Samsung Galaxy phone, don't worry. In this quick 2026 guide, I'll show you exactly how to enable emojis on the Samsung keyboard in just a few simple steps. The process only takes a few minutes, and once it's enabled, you'll be able to use emojis in messages, social media apps, emails, and more. Start by opening the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy device. Scroll down until you find General Management, then tap on it. Next, select Samsung Keyboard Settings to access all of the keyboard customization options. Inside the keyboard settings, look for the Style and Layout section. Here, you'll see an option called Keyboard Toolbar. If the switch next to it is turned off, simply tap it to turn it on. Enabling the keyboard toolbar allows Samsung keyboard to display helpful shortcuts, including the emoji button whenever you use the keyboard. That's all you need to do. To make sure everything is working correctly, open any app where you can type, such as Messages, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Notes, or Gmail. When the Samsung keyboard appears, look for the emoji icon on the keyboard toolbar. Tap the emoji icon to open the full emoji panel, where you can browse thousands of emojis, stickers, symbols, and recently used emojis. Simply tap any emoji to insert it into your message. If you still don't see the emoji icon, make sure you're using Samsung keyboard as your default keyboard and that your phone is updated to the latest software version. After enabling the toolbar, your emojis should be available instantly, making it easy to add fun, expressions, and personality to every conversation.